Assalamu alaikum everyone, and it's Wednesday. The market is amazing. I love how the market looks like, and Pepe, I'm pretty sure by now it's just on a journey and on a race to really push up to 20,000, as I've said so many times before that. Yes, and previously 2 days ago I've already talked about how this is finally the break that we've been wanting on, and we actually deserve such a break. So if you look at it, things are doing pretty amazing, and you broke to the upside, you came for the retest, you're moving up, you take one stop loss here. Now the thing is, if you did not take a trade on Pepe, you may actually do so, but keep in mind you are going to risk 10%. Okay, your stop loss are going to be placed all the way down at this wick. So if I do bring and zoom in here, you may actually try this with a little bit of money, because 10% is way too much. So let's say if you're trying $100 right now, you can get $27 as your profit, but you are going to lose $10, which is not a big deal in my opinion. So here, 14,564 stop loss, that's your entry, and I do believe that you may actually sell it out at 20,000, and that's going to be a good little bit of profit, 27% profit right over there. So there's nothing more I think is there for Pepe, and once we reach to that technical target, we're going to see what really happens. Now it's a little bit hard to say if you're going to go up all the way to the all-time high. Now if the market does get really bullish and you try to cross above 20,000 as well, come up here, break above here. Do you remember yesterday we talked about this bullish rectangle as well? And yes, that bullish rectangle takes you to that technical target. At least for now, you do have this technical target in the cards. Okay, you do have that technical target. Now it's hard to really say, again, very hard to see if this thing is going to push up and keep pushing up and actually push up to the all-time high. Can it happen? You never know, because last time we saw Pepe here, it actually pushed up in just maybe 7 days. You had this one very big move, right? So if something like this can repeat, it can repeat. You never know. History does repeat all of a sudden. And yes, if you do actually get so bullish and you try to do that very similar situation, then you come up here and you may actually get rejected right on top right there, because that's going to be one place that you started to go down the last time. So can you actually come up here and start to go down once again? Not very sure. Okay, there's no any technical reason to back up any claim that you're going to be moving upside, at least for now, for the 20,000. The technical reason is that you do have this pattern, you broke above it, you retested it, and then you're coming up there. The second reason is you went up, you made a bullish rectangle, and now you're breaking above the bullish rectangle to go to that technical target. It would be interesting to see Pepe coming up here and trying to see what it really does in the next coming few days. And that's it for this update on the meme coin itself, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.